Introducing the Shane's World Sorority Party Vibes Nooner, a power-packed, sleek and smooth vibe made of a safe and pure hard plastic with a stylish decor ring made of the same material, silver-plated. This compact velvet coat vibe is 4 3/4 inches long and 1 inch wide, making it the perfect size to slip into your purse for fun anytime. This vibe can be used to stimulate any part of your body. It's perfect for midday mischief. It's easy to use. Just twist the end cap to change the multi-speed vibrations. This vibe uses one AA battery and is available in pink, green, or purple. Your Nooner is also waterproof for fun in and out of the water. To increase your pleasure, be sure to use a quality lube like California Exotic Novelties Universal Lube. And don't forget to clean your Nooner with California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Toy Cleaner. Crazy, fun, and colorful like you. The Nooner from Shane's World Sorority Party Vibes.